Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to extract an autograph so you can use it on pictures and your graphics. Let's get it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to search the person's name. I'll obviously put autograph after it, and then I always go to large. This gives you the highest resolution that you have, the better quality you're going to get. Alright, with that being said, I'm doing Thurman Thomas. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to open this up in a new tab. And it's the highest quality I can get, so I'm going to save that image. Save it to my downloads. I'm just going to name it. Sorry, I can't type. Alright, and we're going to open up Photoshop. And you're just going to open that image. Alright, now what you're going to do is you're going to copy that. Command J. Decide that bottom one. And you're going to go remove the background. Alright, and then here. Alright, now what you want to do is hold Option. And you're going to break these apart and slide it around it. If you have any artifacts on the outside, what that'll do is start to take it away. But as you're seeing here, it was a pretty good cut just the way that it was. So I'm just going to do mine just a little bit. And I'm just going to hit OK. And now what happens is, and now I'm going to convert this to a smart object. And then just what happens after that is it should stay with the same quality that you got here. You should be able to change the color. To whatever color you need. Like I said, you just slide these around till you get exactly what you're looking for. So I kind of liked how it was like a little thinner there. And then so you can see the line showing up. Looks more like it was written. But yeah, so that's how you would do that. Let me just try another example for you. And what I'm going to do in this particular one, copy it. I'm going to crop it down just to that autograph. Alright, now I'm going to move the background. Usually does a way better job than that. So we're going to have to do it by hand. Just grab your wand tool, W. And you can just select all these out of here. Usually it's a lot easier than that, but I guess I'll demonstrate. Probably speed this part up so you don't have to sit through all this. Okay, once you get there, you can convert that to a smart object. And we're going to double click over here. And we're going to hit our Alt or Option. And we're going to go from this way to try to take away any of those yellow or orange lines that we add as much as we can. And then you still want it to be kind of smooth, so you don't want to take away too much. But that's looking pretty good right there. All right. And you can convert that to a smart object again. You should be able to change the colors now. Yeah, you know, it wouldn't be, you're not going to look at it like up this close anyways. Most likely it'll be back here. So the quality would stay similar. And the writing pattern should stay similar to the original. And that's how you would extract autographs.